Ooh, boom, boom. Right. All right, everybody. How are you? There's no one here still. Let me just invite everybody from our VIP groups or free groups, etc. Uh-huh. Daily Edge is live. Underline. Right. So, how are you guys? Yesterday was an amazing day for the VIP team. Boom. Mhm. How are you, good speed Freeman? Money, money, money. That's right. We do make some money, money. Money, money, money. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. How are you guys? Please subscribe to the channel. Um, um, yeah. Let's make some money today. So I'm looking at possible Nasdaq longs. Um, Hi Kevin, how are you? Uh, um, Gold. Let's have a look at gold very quickly. The market is going to open in 7 minutes, so I'm gonna do a really quick gold indicators. Let's do some indications. Daily high lows. I don't have a daily high low. Oh boy, this sucks. Daily week. Um, daily high lows, daily weekly high lows. Well, fuck it. I'm not gonna use the daily weekly high lows. I don't have it on this chart. Hi, Carmen. ¿Cómo estás? So I'm looking at some Nasdaq long, possible Nasdaq longs. This is what I will be trading that at the open, maybe. I don't know. Let's have a look. Uh, let's put on the 10-minute chart on both of them. 10 minutes, 10 minutes. So here I want to see the S&P 500, and here I want to see the Nasdaq. Right, so pretty interesting levels here. Let's remove the drawings. This is what I want to see here on the Nasdaq for me to take a trade. Pretty interesting level, right? So let me go through my thought process on this one. We already have some equity longs with the VIP team, so don't you worry about that VIP team. We are rocking it. Tim, how are you, mate? All right, so well, if you haven't done so, subscribe to the fucking channel, please. I'm gonna take that, and let's play the song.
Here comes the money.
Here we go.
Here comes the
Money
money,
talk.
Here
money, money,
comes the
money.
money. Money, money, money.
Whoa. Right, so the Nasdaq yesterday we made money on the S&P 500 on this move right here, right? Took a little bit of profits at about 60%, 70% of the move. Then overnight hit targets at the very top of the move. Now, someone's at the door here. The momentum is to the upside. I would never be thinking on taking Short positions here. Market is about to open in 4 minutes. Here, 4 minutes. 4 minutes on this beautiful Friday. So, interesting. I'm interested up on the Nasdaq, right? Why? Because the break of this, well, a couple of things, right? What I dig about the Nasdaq here is one, this fake out that prompted traders to go ahead and take a short position here. Yeah. Uh, a short position here and got trapped on the wrong side of the market. Why would you take a short position here? I don't fucking know. But what I dig about this is that one, that bear trap, right? This bear trap, and I want a retest of the break of that rectangle. This is a bullish rectangle. Hi, Yannick. Money, money, money. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait for the market open. I do have the Nasdaq prepared here. Oh, I had it. Now that I Nasdaq, 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 Nasdaq here. Boom, boom. So I have my Nasdaq chart prepared here. I could put a buy limit at the highs of the move, but I do want to wait for that market open. That I don't. I am against putting pending orders just minutes before the market opens. That's not a great idea, right? If you are already in on a trade at the market open, that's cool. But trading the market open with pending orders, that's not a good idea. So let's wait and see what happens. Now, this 10-minute candle, it's looking bullish, etc. Now, if the market doesn't come down here and retest this area, well, there won't be any trade for me on the Nasdaq this morning. But yeah, but I'm not gonna buy all the way up here just because I don't want to miss the move. So why don't we go ahead and wait? Uh, what? 1 minute and a half for that opening bell, and yeah, let's trade it. So why don't you ask me a couple of questions? What do you want to know? If you want to be part of the VIP team, just hit the link below this video. Um, yeah, we have a 30-day money back guarantee, and um, we have a 30-day money back guarantee, and what? So there's no risk for you, right? That's how confident we are on our content and our trading. Right, Nasdaq. We are seconds away from the opening bell, guys. 40 seconds away from the opening bell. I know that I mean I think there's a delay on my live stream. I have to. I promise you that I will work on that. And also, my face on my camera is too black. I mean, I'm brown, but you know what I mean, right? All right. Seconds away from the opening bell. Let's have a look. Let's go to the 5 minute chart on both. Just a 3 minute chart, actually. All right. Here we go. Market opens right now. Let's have a look. I need that move to the downside on the Nasdaq. Looks like it won't move to the downside. Oh, I could take, in fact, a little scalp at the break of the highs right here. But that is a risky entry. I want that retest of that breakout zone that I told you about. This one right here. There we go. There we go. So whilst we're trading inside of this range, I'm not interested. Kevin, what is more important? I don't know. Let me see. Let's go through the open, right? Look at the S&P 500. This song is for all the VIPs that are in that S&P
Here comes the
500
money.
zone.
Here we
Here
go.
comes the money.
Money talk.
Money, money,
Here
money.
comes the money. Money, money, Dollar, dollar, dollar.
That's right. This is our trade with the VAPs on the S&P 500. Pretty cool. We're making money. Boom. Boom, baby. Boom, 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 boom. This is the account that tracks all my VIP trades. It's a small $5,000 account, so we are up 1% on both the VIP and the swing trading VIP trade. So yeah, very sad that we didn't take that. We couldn't take that Nasdaq long, but don't worry because we could in fact have another long opportunity at the retest of these highs. So we are going to wait for for the first 10, 15 minutes of momentum to the upside to get that retest around the 1244 12 441 or whatever and take that trade. Right. So, what is more important, in your opinion, learning candle patterns or ooh, learning to markup chart? Both are important. Um, you know, but the most important thing you have to learn is reading the chart. Reading candle, reading price action, not candlestick patterns. If you notice, I don't use candlestick patterns. You know the I just don't. Yeah, I just don't use them. Fuck that. I read price action. For example, here, right, on the 3 minute chart on the Nasdaq, momentum is to the upside. We are making higher highs, higher lows, pre-market. Uh, pre-market, the Asian range got broken with. So I was waiting for the real retest that area right here to put on a long position, right? That's how you read price action. Why would you take a short position here if momentum is really very, very bullish? I don't. So learning how to read price action is the most important thing when it comes to trading. So who is that and who is on that S&P 500? I would like to know because we are printing money. Yeah, very nice, very, very nice. I'm still holding a little bit of those US dollar Swiss franc shorts that I would be closing today, mates. Perhaps, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna close those US dollar Swiss franc shorts in just a second. Yeah, that's awesome. That's great, guys. That's great. Great. Should we move our stop losses to break even on that spoof? Well, it's not the spoof. No, no, we won't. Okay, getting that retest on the Nasdaq. Getting that retest on the Nasdaq. Getting that retest on the Nasdaq. Got that retest on the S&P 500, but I'm not adding on the S&P 500. I want that Nasdaq. Oh boy. Here. Yeah, we got that S&P 500 retest. We could, in fact, for those that are on the S&P 500 with me, we could move stops right. Oh, I like that. Just below those lows. Oh, I dig this. Yes. I am digging the colors on my chart. I'm always changing colors on my charts. Yeah, we could in fact move stops lower right here. Basically, my first stops were below this low, so I'm moving stops here. Just following the basically at break even, guys. All right, so moving stops right now. 40, that would be 40.77, 40.77, right? If you are a VIP, I'm moving my stops to 40.77. Basically running a free trade, mates. That's cool. That is very, very, very cool. I'm gonna update you on the group, of course, right now. Boom. And the trade is running at a cool 150 pips. So very possibly I'm gonna take profits fast on this trade, and I'm gonna show you why. So I'm gonna show you why. Um, uh-huh. I'm just sort of updating on my other VIPs. Break even. Right. So, yeah, let's see. Load the chart, watch list. Yeah, I'm gonna close that bar, right. So the S&P 500, what the fuck? That, no, here. The S&P 500. So here's the deal with the S&P 500. Here's a trade that we took at the break. This was and is the range that we are trading. Right now, our stops are below these lows pretty nicely. Um, And if the trade runs against me, no, I mean momentum is very bullish at the moment. But this is the reason why I am going to be aggressively managing this trade, because of this. If you notice this, fuck, these three I'm sorry, white lines. This is a 4-hour chart on the S&P 500. This is the 4-hour chart on the S&P 500, right? After this massive battle right here, where liquidity was, bulls took control of this market. But right now we are battling against this previous high right here, and these three white lines is April lows, March lows, and February lows right here. So. This is a day trade with stops very close to break even. And here is a very thick area where we're going to encounter tons of sellers. So because this is a day trade, I'm going to take profits right now at 1 hour or so. I'm gonna take most of my trade off right now. Um, that's it. So I am running on a zero point 0.20 lot. I am going to close 75% here. Um, Waiting just a little bit. Close here 75%. Boom. Moving stops to break even. Boom. That's how money is made. Closing 75% of my S&P 500 here and moving stop loss to break even. That's right. Boom. That's it. That's fucking it. So that's the reason, guys. That's the main reasons that I took you know 75% of my trade here, just because of this thick area. No one knows. No one fucking knows what's going to happen, right? But what I do know is that this is a massively thick zone. You want to see how thick this fucking zone is? Well, I'll show you how thick this fucking zone is. I'm gonna grab an indicator. I'm gonna show you the volume, right? Visible range volume profile. There you go. Now, where are you? Didn't connect. Mm. All right. This didn't work. So, study error. Why? Histogram is too large. Please increase row size input. Row size input. Okay, cool. Give us the fucking indicator then. Well, fuck. I'm gonna use this one. Visible range. Yeah. Volume profile. This is the one that I want. All right. Oh, there you go. All right, so this is the visible range on the S&P 5. But I need my row size. Oh, increase row size. So I'm gonna put 100. Ah, there you go. Now I am digging it. Can you dig it? Right, so this is how thick that all right, let me just delete some um oh boy. Style. I don't want the developing value area. Okay. So this is the volume profile, right? The volume profile. What the volume profile? Let's just have a quick look at the Nasdaq, the S&P 500. Very nice trade on the S&P 500. Let's see if we can get that retest on the Nasdaq to get in on a last trade. Um, it's early in the session, so I'm digging it. Right. So, the volume profile, what the volume profile tells you is this. There's a difference between the volume indicator, which is this one right here, at the bottom of the chart, and the volume profile. Just look at those big buys, 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 big buys. I mean, this is the end of the whatever bearish market people are talking about. I don't understand that. This is very bullish to me. That's why I'm still holding that swing trade with the swing trading VIP group um, that is now in profits. So if you want to be part of that, just click the link below. Right. The difference between the volume profile and the volume indicator is that the volume. All right. Okay. Uh, the thickest areas. I don't know. All right. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. All right. Can everybody hear me? I'm back. I'm back. Yeah, I think so. So, what was I saying? Yeah, the thickest area in historic price action. So this histogram is plotting the volume traded in this part of historic price action on the S&P 500. Well, the US 500, US 500. Right, and this green line is the point of control. The point of control is the level which had the most volume traded, right? All right, cool. So, um, here's where we start to see volume increase, right? So here is where we're going to start to see thick orders. That means that it's going to be harder for buyers to swipe or sweep all the sell orders that are in place around this level than it was for them to sweep all the sell orders that were in place at this level. Why? Because there's more orders in place, or there can be more orders in place there. Now, if we look at the very daily, just today's chart on the 10-minute time frame, this is where the thick volume was traded. Right here. Hold on. This is where the thick volume was traded. That's why a break above the point of control is considered very bullish. That's how you use the volume profile for indication um, of where we are going. Right. So, any more questions, or I'm gonna head out. If you don't have any more questions, I am going to head out, because there's nothing to do anymore but enjoy those profits for the weekend. So, you are very welcome, VIP team, for the money and the pips. Let's make money next week together. If you want to be part of the VIP team, you know what to do. The link is below this video. So, stop missing out. Yeah, I'm not gonna take any more trades, Kevin. I'm cool. So, yeah, enjoy the weekend. Stay off the charts. And cheers.